In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change invoice template in Odoo. This is a practical setup task that helps you make sure your invoices look the way you want, with the correct layout, branding, and company information. If you have ever needed to adjust the appearance of your invoice documents, this walkthrough will guide you step by step. To begin, go to Settings in your Odoo instance. You can usually find this from the main menu, often represented by a gear icon. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct company environment, especially if you manage more than one company. Changing document layout settings is typically done at the company level, so being in the right place matters for what you see later. Once you are in Settings, navigate to the Companies tab. This section is where Odoo collects organization-specific configuration options. If you see multiple entries or options for different companies, look for the one that you want to update. Document layouts are tied to company settings, so selecting the correct context helps prevent confusion later when you preview your invoice. Next, click Configure Document Layout. This is the place where the invoice formatting options are managed. When you open this configuration area, you should see available layout styles and settings that control how your invoices are structured on the document. Pay attention to the wording on your screen because the exact labels may vary slightly depending on your Odoo version, but the key idea is to access the document layout configuration. After opening the document layout configuration, select your preferred layout style. Odoo will usually provide a few layout options, each changing how elements are arranged. Choose the one that best matches your invoice branding goals, such as the placement of the company header, address, or totals. If you have a preferred style from your previous invoices, selecting the same style now can help keep everything consistent for your customers. Now that you have chosen the layout style, you will upload your logo and enter your company details. This step is important because it ensures your invoices include the branding and information that customers expect. Look for the Logo Upload field and add your logo file. Then fill in the company details fields shown on the same screen. Keep the information accurate and up to date, since these details will appear on the printed or emailed invoices generated by Odoo. As you enter company details, double-check spelling and formatting. Even small errors like an outdated address or a missing company name can show up directly on the customer-facing invoice. Take your time to confirm that the details match what you use for your business documents. If the screen provides multiple fields, make sure each field that is meant to appear on invoices is completed. When you have finished updating the logo and company details, click Save. This is the step that applies your changes to the document layout. After saving, give it a moment to ensure the system confirms the change. If your interface shows any confirmation message, review it briefly to confirm that the update was successful. At this point, your invoice template settings have been updated according to the layout style you selected and the company information you provided. If you want to see the results immediately, you can generate or preview an invoice afterward to verify that the header, logo, and details appear exactly as you expect. This helps confirm that the template change is working correctly in real documents, not just in the configuration screen. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.